Good morning. Monday morning, October 23rd. Out here for a beautiful morning hunt. The kids don't have school today, so T-Dog's out with me. Sitting up here in our little oak ridge, in our double tree stand we set up. And just a beautiful, cold, frosty morning. It's like 30 degrees with a south wind, which sets up nice for this spot, so deer should definitely be moving this morning. I'm excited about the hunt, so we'll see what happens. You excited?
Yeah.
Hopefully we can get a crack at one today.
I had a shot at a deer, and we think we missed him. And it was a nice buck, and it was at like 25 yards. And then he ran off. Then he stopped and looked at us and ran.
That's pretty sweet, dude. He grunted a couple times.
And he made a scrape.
Game man made a scrape. Eating acorns out here in front of us. A lot of leaves and branches right here. That's still early. We saw another one back in there, so.
Yeah.
just happened?
So we were packing up, and I was on the ground, and I went to find the arrow that the buck that I missed, and the dad was getting the bows ready to come down, and then he says, "Theron, there's a buck coming up the hill," and so I try to get ready, but I can't get the arrow out of the thing, so he comes walking up right here. He looks at me, then I get the bow ready. I get it. No, I couldn't get the arrow out, so finally I did, and I slid it in. I aim and I smoke him.
Shot him right there.
Okay, now I'm
You guys still on it?
blood,
Is there a bunch?
blood.
Oh, she is.
You find them?
Look, I see it. Right there. That's right
Don't
there.
fall like me.
That is right there.
Find your buck?
Mm-hmm.
How old are you?
9.
What's the date? October 23rd. Morning hunt. Theron was on the ground. We were packing up. And this guy came in and Theron smoked him on the ground.
Mm-hmm.
First deer, first buck.
Mm-hmm.
Little 20-yard shot. He went about 250.
Mm-hmm.
And we found him.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome first deer, dude.
Mm-hmm.
You pumped?
Mm-hmm.
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 All right, buddy. Congrats, man. Too cool. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
Ready to do it again?
Yeah.
All right, man. Give me a thumbs up. Say thanks for watching, everybody.
No.
All right.